Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Lubuntu 26.04, the latest version of one of the lightest and fastest Linux distributions out there. If you have an older laptop, a low-spec PC, or you simply prefer a fast and minimal operating system, Lubuntu has always been a fantastic choice. And with the new 26.04 release, things have become even more polished and powerful. So, first, let's quickly talk about what Lubuntu actually is. Lubuntu is an official flavor of Ubuntu that uses the LXQt desktop environment, which is designed to be lightweight while still looking modern and clean. Unlike heavier desktop environments like GNOME or KDE Plasma, LXQt focuses on performance and simplicity. That means Lubuntu can run smoothly even on systems with limited RAM or older processors. Now in Lubuntu 26.04, one of the biggest improvements is the updated LXQt desktop environment. The interface feels faster and more responsive, and the developers have worked on making the desktop cleaner and easier to use. You'll notice improvements in the panel, system tray, file manager, and settings tools. Everything feels a bit more refined compared to previous versions. Another important upgrade in Lubuntu 26.04 is the new Linux kernel and updated software stack. This means better hardware support, improved drivers, and overall better performance on modern systems. If you're installing Lubuntu on newer laptops or desktops, chances are the hardware compatibility will be much better than before. The default applications remain lightweight but practical. For example, Lubuntu includes PCman FM-Qt as the file manager, which is fast and simple. For text editing, you get Featherpad. For screenshots, there's Screen Grab. And for software installation, you still have access to Ubuntu's huge software repositories. So even though Lubuntu is lightweight, you're not missing out on software options. One thing many users love about Lubuntu is how customizable it is. You can easily change themes, panel layouts, icon packs, and window styles. Because LXQt is modular, you can tweak the system exactly the way you want it without using too many system resources. Performance is where Lubuntu really shines. On systems with just 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM, Lubuntu can still run smoothly. Boot times are fast, applications launch quickly, and the system stays responsive even when multitasking. This makes it a perfect option for reviving older computers that struggle with heavier operating systems. And of course, since Lubuntu is based on Ubuntu, you also get the benefits of the Ubuntu ecosystem. That includes long-term security updates, access to thousands of packages, and a massive community that can help if you run into problems. So overall, Lubuntu 26.04 continues the tradition of being one of the best lightweight Linux distributions available today. It's fast, simple, stable, and perfect for breathing new life into older hardware while still giving you a modern desktop experience. All right, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux and tech content. And let me know in the comments. Have you tried Lubuntu before, or are you planning to install Lubuntu 26.04? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.